بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم. غلبت الروم.
The Romans have been defeated
في أدنى الأرض وهم من بعد غلبهم سيغلبون.
in the nearby land, and after their defeat, they will soon be dominant.
في بضع سنين لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد ويومئذ يفرح المؤمنون.
Within a few years, command belongs to Allah only, before and after the dominance of the Romans, and the believers will rejoice on that day.
بنصر الله ينصر من يشاء وهو العزيز الرحيم.
With the help of Allah, He helps whomsoever He wills. Only He is the dignified, the merciful.
وعد الله لا يخلف الله وعده ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
The promise of Allah is solid. Allah does not evade His promise, but most people know not.
يعلمون ظاهرا من الحياة الدنيا وهم عن الآخرة هم غافلون.
They know only that which is apparent to the eyes of the worldly life and are totally neglectful of the hereafter.
أولم يتفكروا في أنفسهم ما خلق الله السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وأجل مسمى وإن كثيرا من الناس بلقاء ربهم لكافرون.
Have they not reflected within themselves that Allah has not created the heavens and the earth and whatever is in between them except with truth and for a specified term? And indeed, many people deny meeting their Lord.
أولم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم كانوا أشد منهم قوة وأثاروا الأرض وعمروها أكثر مما عمروها وجاءتهم رسلهم بالبينات فما كان الله ليظلمهم ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
And did they not travel in the land that they could see what was the outcome of those before them? They were stronger than them and cultivated the land and inhabited it more than them. And their messengers came to them with clear signs. It did not hence befit Allah's majesty to oppress them. Yes, it was they who used to wrong themselves.
ثم كان عاقبة الذين أساءوا السوء أن كذبوا بآيات الله وكانوا بها يستهزئون.
Then the outcome of those who committed evil to the extreme was that they started belying the verses of Allah and used to mock them.
الله يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده ثم إليه ترجعون.
Allah initially creates, then He will create again, then to Him you will return.
ويوم تقوم الساعة يبلس المجرمون.
And when the day of resurrection is established, the culprits will lose hope.
ولم يكن لهم من شركائهم شفعاء وكانوا بشركائهم كافرين.
And the partners they ascribed will not be their intercessors, and they, i.e. the polytheists, will deny their associates.
ويوم تقوم الساعة يومئذ يتفرقون.
And when the day of resurrection will be established, on that day they will separate.
فأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فهم في روضة يحبرون.
So those who believed and did good deeds, they will be entertained in the seedbed of the garden of paradise.
وأما الذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا ولقاء الآخرة فأولئك في العذاب محضرون.
And those who disbelieved and belied our verses and meeting Allah in the hereafter, they will be shoved into the punishment.
فسبحان الله حين تمسون وحين تصبحون.
So glorify Allah when you approach the night and when the morning arrives.
وله الحمد في السماوات والأرض وعشيا وحين تظهرون.
And praise in the heavens and the earth is only to Him, and before the day ends and when noon reaches you.
يخرج الحي من الميت ويخرج الميت من الحي ويحيي الأرض بعد موتها وكذلك تخرجون.
He brings forth the living from the dead and brings forth the dead from the living, and He revives the earth after its death, and this is how you will be brought out from the graves.
ومن آياته أن خلقكم من تراب ثم إذا أنتم بشر تنتشرون.
And amongst His signs is that He created you from soil. You are then human beings, thereupon scattered in the world.
ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
And amongst His signs is that He created spouses for you from yourselves, for you to gain comfort in them, and placed love and mercy between yourselves. Indeed, in this are signs for the people who ponder.
ومن آياته خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف ألسنتكم وألوانكم إن في ذلك لآيات للعالمين.
And amongst His signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the differences in your languages and colors. Indeed, in this are signs for the people who know.
ومن آياته منامكم بالليل والنهار وابتغاؤكم من فضله إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يسمعون.
And amongst His signs
Is your sleeping during the night and the day, and seeking His benevolence, i.e. sustenance. Indeed, in this are signs for the people who listen.
ومن آياته يريكم البرق خوفا وطمعا وينزل من السماء ماء فيحيي به الأرض بعد موتها إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
And amongst his signs
is that he shows you lightning, causing fear and hope, and sends down water from the sky, so revives the earth after its death. Indeed, in this are signs for the people of intellect.
ومن آياته أن تقوم السماء والأرض بأمره ثم إذا دعاكم دعوة من الأرض إذا أنتم تخرجون.
and amongst his signs
Is that the heavens and the earth are established by his command. Then, when he will call upon you, i.e., to extract you from the earth, you will thereupon come forth.
وله من في السماوات والأرض كل له قانتون.
And only to him belong all those who are in the heavens and the earth. All are submissive to him.
وهو الذي يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده وهو أهون عليه وله المثل الأعلى في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
And it is only he who originates creation, then will create it again. And this, according to your understanding, should be easier for him. And only for him is the supreme majesty in the heavens and the earth, and only he is the dignified, the wise.
ضرب لكم مثلا من أنفسكم هل لكم مما ملكت أيمانكم من شركاء فيما رزقناكم فأنتم فيه سواء تخافونهم كخيفتكم أنفسكم كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يعقلون.
O polytheists, he narrates for you an example from your own personal condition. Are there any slaves whom you possess equal with you in this wealth, which we have provided as sustenance for you? Would you fear them just as you fear one another amongst yourselves? This is how we illustrate detailed signs for the people of intellect.
بل اتبع الذين ظلموا أهواءهم بغير علم فمن يهدي من أضل الله وما لهم من ناصرين.
Rather, the unjust followed their own desires without knowing. So, who can guide the one whom Allah has caused to go astray? And they do not have any helper.
فأقم وجهك للدين حنيفا فطرة الله التي فطر الناس عليها لا تبديل لخلق الله ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
So, O beloved, set your face upright for the obedience of Allah, devoted solely to Him. That is the established nature by Allah upon which He has created people. Do not change what Allah has created. This is the straight religion, but most people know not.
منيبين إليه واتقوه وأقيموا الصلاة ولا تكونوا من المشركين.
And fear Him whilst returning towards Him in repentance, and keep Salah established, and never be of the polytheists.
من الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا كل حزب بما لديهم فرحون.
Of those who broke their religion into several parts and have become many sects, every group is happy with what it has.
وإذا مس الناس ضر دعوا ربهم منيبين إليه ثم إذا أذاقهم منه ثم إذا أذاقهم منه رحمة إذا فريق منهم بربهم يشركون.
And when adversity reaches people, they hence call to their Lord, inclining towards Him. When He gives them a taste of His mercy, thereupon a group amongst them begins associating partners with their Lord.
ليكفروا بما آتيناهم فتمتعوا فسوف تعلمون.
That they may be ungrateful of our bestowal. Therefore, enjoy for a short while, you will soon come to know.
أم أنزلنا عليهم سلطانا فهو يتكلم بما كانوا به يشركون.
Or have we sent down to them any proof which tells them of my partners?
وإذا أذقنا الناس رحمة فرحوا بها وإن تصبهم سيئة بما قدمت أيديهم إذا هم يقنطون.
And when we give people the taste of mercy, they rejoice upon it. And if an evil reaches them as a result of what their hands have sent forth, thereupon they become despairing.
أولم يروا أن الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
And did they not see that Allah increases the sustenance for whomsoever He wills and restricts it for whomever He wills? Indeed, in that are signs for the believers.
فآت ذا القربى حقه والمسكين وابن السبيل ذلك خير للذين يريدون وجه الله وأولئك هم المفلحون.
Therefore, give the relative his right, and to the needy and to the traveler. This is better for those who seek the pleasure of Allah, and only their objective has been fulfilled.
وما آتيتم من ربا ليربو في أموال الناس فلا يربو عند الله وما آتيتم من زكاة تريدون وجه الله فأولئك هم المضعفون.
And whatever wealth which you give to receive interest, that the creditor's wealth may increase, so that will not increase before Allah. And the charity which you give seeking the pleasure of Allah, so only for them is manifold the reward.
الله الذي خلقكم ثم رزقكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم هل من شركائكم من يفعل من ذلكم من شيء سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون.
It is Allah who created you, then provided you sustenance, then will cause you to die, then will give you life again. Is there any amongst your associated partners who can also do any of these things? Purity and supremacy is to Him, from their ascribing partners to Him.
ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعض الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون.
Turmoil appeared in the land and the sea because of the evil deeds which people's hands have earned, so that they taste the flavor of some of their evil deeds. Perhaps they abstain.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبل كان أكثرهم مشركين.
Say you, O beloved, travel the land, observe how was the outcome of the people of the past, and most of them were polytheists.
فأقم وجهك للدين القيم من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا مرد له من الله يومئذ يصدعون.
So, set your face upright for worship before there comes a day from Allah which cannot be averted. On that day, they, the people, will be split up.
من كفر فعليه كفره ومن عمل صالحا فلأنفسهم يمهدون.
Whoever disbelieves, then the misery of his disbelief is only on him, and those who do good deeds are preparing comforts of paradise for themselves.
ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات من فضله إنه لا يحب الكافرين.
In order to reward those who believed and did good deeds by his benevolence, indeed, he does not befriend the disbelievers.
ومن آياته أن يرسل الرياح مبشرات وليذيقكم من رحمته ولتجري الفلك بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
And amongst his signs is that he sends winds, giving glad tidings, and because that he may make you taste his mercy, and because that ship may sail by his command, and because you may seek his benevolence, and because you may give thanks.
ولقد أرسلنا من قبلك رسلا إلى قومهم فجاءوهم بالبينات فانتقمنا من الذين أجرموا وكان حقا علينا نصر المؤمنين.
And indeed, we have sent several messengers before you to their nations. So they brought to them clear signs. We henceforth took revenge on the culprits. And it is upon the responsibility of our generosity to help the Muslims.
الله الذي يرسل الرياح فتثير سحابا فيبسطه في السماء كيف يشاء ويجعله كسفا فترى الودق يخرج من خلاله فإذا أصاب به من يشاء من عباده إذا هم يستبشرون.
It is Allah who sends the winds raising the clouds, then spreads them in the space of the sky as He wills, and shatters them, so that you may see the rain pouring from its midst. So when He delivers it upon whomsoever He wills amongst His bondsmen, thereupon they rejoice.
وإن كانوا من قبل أن ينزل عليهم من قبله لمبلسين.
Although they had lost hope before it, i.e., before the rain was sent down upon them.
فانظر إلى آثار رحمة الله كيف يحيي الأرض بعد موتها إن ذلك لمحيي الموتى وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Therefore, observe the effect of Allah's mercy, how He revives the earth after its death. He will indeed resurrect the dead, and He is able to do all things.
ولئن أرسلنا ريحا فرأوه مصفرا لظلوا من بعده يكفرون.
And if we send any wind and they see their harvest turned yellow because of it, they hence definitely start becoming ungrateful thereafter.
فإنك لا تسمع الموتى ولا تسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ولوا مدبرين.
This is why you cannot make the dead, i.e., the disbelievers, hear, nor can you make the deaf hear the call when they turn away showing their backs.
وما أنت بهاد العمي عن ضلالتهم إن تسمع إلا من يؤمن بآياتنا فهم مسلمون.
And nor can you guide the blind from their error. So you make only those who hear believe in our verses, so they are in submission.
الله الذي خلقكم من ضعف ثم جعل من بعد ضعف قوة ثم جعل من بعد قوة ضعفا وشيبة يخلق ما يشاء وهو العليم القدير.
It is Allah who created you weak in the beginning, then He gave you strength after weakness, then after strength gave you weakness and old age. He creates whatever He wills, and only He is the All-Knowing, the Almighty.
ويوم تقوم الساعة يقسم المجرمون ما لبثوا غير ساعة كذلك كانوا يؤفكون.
And when the day of resurrection will be established, the culprits will swear that they did not stay except for a moment. This is how they were turned away.
وقال الذين أوتوا العلم والإيمان لقد لبثتم في كتاب الله إلى يوم البعث فهذا يوم البعث ولكنكم كنتم لا تعلمون.
And those who had received the knowledge and had faith said to the disbelievers, you had indeed remained in your graves until the day of resurrection, as decreed by Allah. So, this is the day of resurrection, but you were unaware.
فيومئذ لا ينفع الذين ظلموا معذرتهم ولا هم يستعتبون.
So on that day, the excuses of the unjust will not benefit them, nor will they be asked to make amends.
وَلَقَدْ ضَرَبْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ وَلَئِنْ جِئْتَهُمْ بِآيَةٍ لَيَقُولَنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنْ أَنْتُمْ إِلَّا مُبْطِلُونَ.
And indeed, we have illustrated all types of examples for the people in this Quran. And if you bring a sign to them, the disbelievers will definitely say, you are not but on falsehood.
كذلك يطبع الله على قلوب الذين لا يعلمون.
This is how Allah sets a seal upon the hearts of the ignorant.
فاصبر إن وعد الله حق ولا يستخفنك الذين لا يوقنون.
Therefore, have patience. Indeed, the promise of Allah is true, and let not those who have no certainty discourage you.
صدق الله العظيم.